Hello everybody, today we make something so fast. We make broccoli di rapa with beans. And we got a plum tomato. The plum tomato, I boil a little bit, I take the skin out and the seeds out. Look at nice broccoli. Now, we gotta start, they go on the stove, and we start with the garlic over here. And the garlic, look at beautiful garlic. And we just slide like that. Cause this, I like when I ate this, I ate this garlic, is so good. And I got my oil baby flake, hot pepper. Okay, a little bit more, like this. And now we go on the stove and we bring the garlic and we put it on. And I got my beans over here and I cook by myself. It's really, really nice. And I got the water already boiled and I want to put a salt for the broccoli di rapa. Okay, it's enough. And this is the oil for this, for the garlic. All right. Okay.
You want to say thank you to Carol and Lori for the stars.
Thank you, Carl and Maury. Lori, thank you very much. I put the garlic, I will fry the garlic, and we do little salute e chin chin. Okay. Okay, little salute e chin chin. And I hope everybody passed yesterday a beautiful day. Happy Easter. Chin chin. Salute and thank you for the star. Chin chin.
And please let us know how the audio is. Hopefully it's okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we'll fry the garlic now a little bit. Look how beautiful. It's fried good. You see the tomato, the plum tomato, I was boiled already. Like this, when I gotta cook, it's already soft and nice. Okay, now, I got the tomato. But I want to do right over here the tomato. I don't want to splash all over the place. All right, and now we go back over here. Good. Okay, we got the flake at the pepper. A little salt. And black pepper. And I got a chicken stock I got to use it too. Chicken stock I got over here. Okay.
Good. It smells really good.
It smells really good.
All right. And if anyone's interested in the recipe, all you have to do is type in the comment section, #SendMeBeans, and then the recipe will be sent to your inbox. #SendMeBeans.
Fagioli, fazool, beans.
It makes the music, right?
Yeah. Okay, look how beautiful this tomato. Now over here, I got the broccoli di rapa.
Make sure there's no spaces either when you put #SendMeBeans with the hashtag.
Look how beautiful. Now we'll leave a boil. And we got the beans over here.
If you add spaces, you won't get the recipe. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, cin cin e salute everybody. Cin cin. A salute.
You want to show the broccoli rabe like what you did so far, or the what do you call it, chima de rabe?
Okay, now I want to say something. Somebody write, it's okay, you know, it's no problem. We over here in America over here, you call it broccoli di rapa. Now, somebody was right that Pasquale, it's not broccoli di rapa, it's a cima di rapa. And I told her, I say, yeah, cima di rapa, we call it in Italy. But over here, you call it broccoli di rapa. It's the same thing.
Like in the store, it's written.
Yeah, at the store, you got a sign over there, broccoli di rapa. And one day, I was go to the store, and I said, you got a cima di rapa? And the guy said, no. I said, why you say no? Look, you got it right over there. He said to me, no, this is a broccoli di rapa. I say it's the same thing. It's okay. Okay, now this I was washed really good. And look how nice you look.
And just thank you to Michelle and Barb for the stars. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Michelle and Barbara, right? Cin cin e salute, thank you for the star. Cin cin.
Yeah, look here.
Cin cin.
Went
Eh? Cin cin e salute. Okay, now look at the tomato, beautiful. Look, you see, already it's a nice soft. Okay, now what do? We take the beans and we put the beans in there. Okay, I want to make sure drain good. All right.
And that's from the dry beans, right?
Yes, this is dry beans. I was pouring soak last night and I was cooking today. Okay, and now look how nice. When you cook yourself the beans, it's so beautiful. Look there. And we give a little, look, nice, really, really good. One thing I want to do now, I want to test. So it's everything good. Salt. A little salt, not too much, like this. And we give it a nice turn.
The beans are navy beans, but you could use like cannellini beans, right?
Yeah, any kind of the beans. You can use black beans, white beans, cannellini beans.
Thank you for the bunny rabbit ears, people. Thanks for the stars.
Okay. Now the water boil. It's time for the broccoli. Now the broccoli di rabe gotta cook only for a couple of minutes. Okay, when they start the water boil, when it start to boil the broccoli, I gotta take it out. And let's take these spots out of over here. Oh.
Just curious to the people that sent the hashtag send me beans, did it actually send you the recipe? Please let me know if it did.
Yes. Okay, look there. It's easy. This is cook so fast. One time the beans you gotta cook already. After the broccoli, the wrap, everything. Okay, now. Okay. Now we use a chicken stock. Now one time this is start to boil, we take the broccoli out already. I want the broccoli to cook a little bit together. Okay, the broccoli ready. Okay. We turn the gas off.
So it's just real quick then.
Yes. I want to cook it together with the sauce over here with the beans, everything.
And if anyone's interested in the calendar for 2025, it's almost going to be not available anymore. You could do also a hashtag calendar, and that'll be sent to you.
Now, we cook every Monday, 6 to 6:30. You see, today we did at 6 o'clock. Okay? But 6 or 6:30. And tomorrow night we cook it again, but tomorrow night it's for the support only.
So those are the that's the extra show on Tuesdays. It gets sent to your inbox right on Messenger, and then you can always go back to it whenever you want.
Oh, look at that. Okay, now.
That looks good.
This is the time you gotta cook a little bit more.
You put oh yeah baby in there too, right?
Oh yes, the flake, I put a flake of hot pepper inside. Okay, I take my fork over here. And look at beautiful bread I got. I want to use with the beans and the broccoli di rapa. All right. Look at beautiful. Huh?
Nice.
Nice bread. I like the crust, and nice crunchy. It's really nice. Okay, now let's see over here. And let's see this one too. Chin chin salute. Thank you for the start, everybody. Chin chin. Okay, a little bit. Look how nice it look.
Sean, thank you for the stars. And everyone tonight, appreciate that.
Thank you, everybody. I want to put my so yeah. Look how nice this. Oh boy.
Pick up what?
Okay. And we got it over here. Now we bring on the table.
That looks nice.
Huh? We turn the gas off. And let's go over here.
Again, if you want the recipe, just put hashtag send me beans.
Look at that. And we dip the bread. It's really hot. The broccolis cook good.
Is it bitter?
No? Beautiful. A little wine. I want to say salute e cincini to everybody. And we see next week on Monday, 6:06 And thank you for your support and thank you for the star. I hope somebody make this. But when you make sure to not cook too long the broccoli di rapa. Okay? So you eat only broccoli di rapa, you boil it for 3 minutes and take it out. Okay? When it's too soft, it don't look good. But look at this, how nice it look. It look like a no cook, but it's nice, really good. Chin chin e salute, and we see next week, 6 or 6:30. Chin chin, salute.